In today's video, you will learn how to save and export a video from CapCut PC. This process starts after finishing your editing work inside CapCut. Once your project is ready, move your attention to the top right corner where the Export option is located. Select the Export button to begin the saving process. At the top section of the Export window, enter a name for your video. This will be the file name used once it is saved. Type in Finished or any other preferred name. Next, locate the Export to Folder option on the right side. Click it to choose where the video will be saved on your computer. From the available locations, select Desktop or Downloads and confirm it by clicking Select Folder. Now move to the resolution settings and choose 1080p. This keeps the video quality consistent with the project settings. Under bitrate, keep the setting on recommended without making changes. For codec, leave it as it is without adjusting anything. Next, go to Format and ensure MP4 is selected as it is widely compatible across devices and platforms. After that, move to frame rate and set it to 60 for smoother playback. Once all settings are correctly configured, go to the bottom of the window and click Export to start the rendering process. Wait for the export to complete. The time required will depend on the length and complexity of the video. After the export finishes, the video will automatically be saved to the folder you selected earlier. To quickly access the exported file, click Open Folder in the bottom left corner and the saved video will appear in that location.